In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a video call in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home, in the office, or even on the go, Microsoft Teams offers a convenient way to stay connected with your colleagues and friends via video calls. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident each step of the way. First, make sure you have Microsoft Teams installed on your device, whether it's a desktop or your mobile phone. Once you confirm that, go ahead and open the Microsoft Teams application. Now, once you're inside the app, you'll notice various options on the left sidebar. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available. For starting a video call, you'll want to focus on the Chat tab. Clicking this will direct you to your recent conversations, and you can easily navigate through your contacts here. Now, decide who you would like to connect with. It could be a single person or even a group. Teams is flexible that way. Find your desired contact from the chat list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate their name. Once you've selected your contact or group, you're ready to initiate the call. Take a look towards the top right area of the chat window. You'll see an array of icons, but for a video call, we're focusing on the video call icon that resembles a small camera. Go ahead and click that icon. If you're on your mobile, tap on the same icon to continue. This action sends a ring to the chosen participant or participants, inviting them to join the call. You might wonder what happens next. Once the recipient answers, your video call will start seamlessly. Remember, being in a quiet environment can help ensure clear communication during your call. It's also a good idea to check your camera and microphone settings beforehand to avoid any last-minute technical issues. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect via video call in Microsoft Teams efficiently. It's a powerful tool for collaborating, discussing important matters, or simply staying in touch with your peers no matter where you are. Practice a few times to familiarize yourself, and soon, starting a video call will become second nature. Feel free to pause and replay sections of this video if you need a little extra guidance. Happy calling!